Some really nice flowers. Cold creek, just mountain snow melt. Pretty nice out. So today we're gonna try to fish this little, I guess I'd call it a pond. I wouldn't really call it a lake. More like a little pond. We'll see if we can find any fish in this section. It's a little bit more shallow on this side. Usually I go on the other side. We'll give this side a whirl. Just make a couple casts. And then we'll make our way to that other end. It is a little cold. I think the temperature is 55, 57. And I definitely came underdressed. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. Just a little hike. It is cold. And like I said, I am underdressed for this cold water, or for this cold day. Cold, cold, cold. Yeah, I'll go through here. Cold, cold, cold. See how it looks right here. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, there's a couple different ways I can get over, but this one's the easiest. I'm gonna take this path right here. I don't have much faith to have in that. I'll just take one step there. Should be able to cross over. Oh, yes, sir. Just like that. Whew. Sounds like there's a helicopter somewhere. Are you up there? Huh. Got one. Got one. What do we get? What do we get? Nice. Nice brown trout. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Woo. You are gorgeous. Nice brown trout. Hold on. Okay. Ooh, that water's cold. Let me get you off, buddy. Let me get you off. Yes, I know. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Ooh, this water is cold. I'm gonna have to take my ring off, or else it's gonna fall out. Oh, that was sweet. That was sweet. That's the second one we get. See if we can get another one. It's seeming to be, there's two I got over here. See if I can make it three. Oh, my hand's cold. That was cold. Love brown trout. I'd say brown trout are one of my favorite ones to eat. Brook trout and brown trout. Oh, had another hit. Ah, dang it. Ah, yeah, I gotta get over there and fish. They all seem to be over there for some reason. Because I keep missing them all. Over here. Oh, there we go. Got one. Got one. Oh, I lost him. Ah. Why do I keep losing fish? What's going on? Yeah, they've all been pretty instant. If I don't get it within a couple reels of where it lands, and haven't got any fish. You never know. I might get lucky with one of these casts. Come on, fish. Where are you guys at? They seem to be everywhere that I'm not at. Nada enchilada. There we go. There we go. Heck yeah. Got our second one. Got our second one. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. Another nice brown trout on the rooster tail. We'll let you go whenever you're ready. Just like that, he disappears. Heck yeah. Sweet. Oh. Usually I just go in through there, but it's a lot closer if I cut in through here. So I'm just gonna do that again and hopefully not fall. It usually just takes one step. Well, that didn't work out that time. Woo! Ah, dummy. Well, at least it's on the way back, not on the way there. So that's a good part. Climb back up. Get out of here. Silly me. Silly, silly me. I'll just be hiking. Hiking away. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Oh, wow. That's what I get for taking a shortcut. It's a shortcut you want. That's the shortcut you'll get. Down here and see if we can get a fish or two. Yeah, it's gonna be tricky. Do I want to go down there or not? I can. I mean, I was catching all the fish on this edge here. Seems to be the only open area right there. But I won't be able to cast that way into it. Or at least it doesn't look like it. No, I wouldn't be able to. I would just... Yeah. It's alright. I'll call it a day.